Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of DeLoreanTECH. Today I'm going to do a little review of these new stainless steel door struts that I got from DeLorean Go today. I'm actually really impressed by them. I didn't think they were going to look this good in person, but they look really nice. And they're basically just stainless steel versions of the same soft lift that DeLorean Go carries for their struts. So it has a kind of a slow down effect as it reaches the top, so that way your door doesn't bounce around. Very slowly and stops. As you can see, they match the stainless very well, actually. Works very well with the wings aloft system. Now you can get these for the sunshade and the hood. I only ordered a pair for the doors, and I'm actually regretting that because they do look really nice and they do work really well. So if you have a chance to get all 6 for the car, I would recommend doing that because you will save some money. These are $65 a piece for the doors. I think if you buy all 6 together, there is a pretty substantial discount. I just didn't actually need new struts for the sunshade or the front hood, but now that I've seen these, I probably should have reconsidered. Now, these are British made, and so you can see what I'm using here on the passenger side. I'm going to be showing you how to install these in a minute here. Basically, the reason why I bought these was because my passenger side door was sagging pretty significantly, and it doesn't even go up all the way. And if I'm driving around with the doors up, this thing will move around quite a bit. So this thing is worn out, time to be replaced. Now here's a strut out of the box itself. So you can take a look at it. So it's got the little safety pins on the ends. You got your DeLorean Go symbol there and a little warning symbol. So the new struts already come lined up. The swivels here at the bottom and the top are already in the correct position, but you can actually adjust the piston itself. You could twist this 2-piece assembly and sort of fine-tune the fit in case you have to. I didn't have to do that when I installed it on the driver's side. Installation, very straightforward. This is probably the easiest part to replace on the DeLorean. But I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick demo on how you do that anyway. Now, in order to support these doors when you're replacing the door struts, I recommend just having somebody come over here and hold the door up while you're doing the replacement. I don't recommend propping a 2x4 or something else here to hold it up. You definitely need to have somebody here holding it for you. So the first thing you want to do when you replace these is remove the safety pins on the top and bottom swivels. So this is really easy to do. All you do is just pop it. And for the lower one, that I place, pull up. Then what you do is you just get a pry bar, put it between the piston and this bracket right here, and separate top swivel from the ball that's connected right here. Just like that. And again, for the bottom, it comes off pretty easily. You need to make sure that there's no debris contaminating these right here. So you definitely want to clean them off if they look dirty. You don't want anything to interfere with the motion of the door as it opens and closes. Next thing you want to do is you want to remove these pins here. Top and bottom. Pretty easy to remove. You just push these in like that and you just let them slide out. Okay, now to install the new stainless steel door struts. Pretty easy to install. You just pop them in. Might need to adjust the door down a little bit or up depending on where you're at. Okay, it's good right there. There we go. And reinstall the pins. Okay, replace the upper pin. And same thing with the lower one. And you're good to go. And here's the completed installation. Looks awesome. I think it looks really good from this angle. So I'm gonna test it out. Door opens much better now. Much faster, smoother. Actually goes all the way up. So if you're thinking about new door struts, I would definitely consider these DeLorean Go stainless steel door struts. Look very cool. I think they definitely add to the styling of the car, adding a little bit more stainless to it, which you can never have too much stainless, right? Anyway, that concludes our video on the DeLorean Go stainless steel door struts. Thanks for watching.